Hi, Lonnie. What does a kitty cat say? Meow. What does a dog say? What does a snake say? What does a kitty cat say? What does a puppy dog say? Be careful. Is that what a dog says? Roof, roof. What does the kitty cat say? Meow. What does a snake say? What does a bird say? Hey, Lonnie, what's a bird say?
Macapacca's pile of stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pile of 6 stones.
Can I have that book, please? Thank you.
Eagle Pickle and Upsy Daisy. Macapacca has made a pile of stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can turn it off. Where's Macapacca? Where's Upsy Daisy? Hi, Lonnie, where's Upsy Daisy? Hey, Upsy Daisy. Hey, Eagle Pickle.
Macapacca gave Upsy Daisy a present. A stone. Upsy Daisy has a stone. Thank you, Macapacca.
Is that Rowdy's? Is that supposed to go in your mouth? No, ma'am. Can I have that? Thank you. Thank you.
Look at that. Upsy Daisy gave her stone to Wiggle Piggle.
Uh-oh. Say, hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Oh, you gonna run? Hey, Mama.